客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, my name is Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song by Cho Su Tan. It's called Comforter or Pi Gud. Now it's called this because, we work hard every day, and when we go home, sometimes all we want to do is collapse into bed and wrap ourselves in a comforter. So Cho Su Tan has invited singer Wan Fang to join in on this song, using their soothing voices, acting like a comforter, wrapping you in warmth, and giving you that sense of companionship and allow you to have a good rest. So let's take a listen.
愛做的近，窮下獨意，窮下感冒，窮下叫，嘿，看這個是愛人做屁股，滾表，滾浪。
你的房间下雨了，那我们一起淋雨吧，一起感冒，在一起放声大哭。你不想勇敢，我就变做一条棉被。
人啊，为了生计，每日将精力陷在工作上，常常回到家之后，只想倒在床上，然后裹着棉被。而邱淑婵创作的这首歌曲《棉被皮棍》，特别邀请了万芳一起来演唱。两个人呢，用他们疗愈的歌声，如同棉被来温暖着你，非常舒服，好听。And there you have it, another Hakka song brought to you by Cho Su Tan. Again, it's called Comforter or Pi Gud. I am Joseph Lin. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.